What is up, guys? And in today's video I was sent a product that I'm pretty excited to check out. It's something that I've actually needed, so let's hop into it. All right, so what we have here is the Carpodgo. This is the Carpodgo T3 Pro, and they sent this to me to check out. So let's start opening this thing up and see what we have. Okay. So it looks like we got the screen, backup camera, the mount. Let's open up the screen. Come on. All right. Actually, really nice packaging. Reminds me a lot of like an iPhone. So here we've got the screen. It works with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's all Bluetooth. We've got our power cord, and then a couple other mounting options. All right, let's throw this in. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. Got the screen here. And the keys. So this is made to be portable, so you can switch it between cars, which is what I'm trying to showcase here. It just snaps into there, and then I think you tighten it down. Yep. Okay, what is up and down on this? I'm gonna guess that that is the right way. So this mount is also adjustable this way, and also, yeah, so you got quite a bit of adjustment. Now I'm not gonna go crazy in figuring out a real perfect mount for in the van here, because it is not staying in the van, but I'll see what I can't get going here. All right, let's grab our power. What I like about the power is you also have a USB here, so you're not sacrificing one of your power outlets if you've got a limited number in your car. All right, and then we'll turn on the power. Okay, what is next? Okay, so I've just been reading through the instructions. Now it does say, or it does recommend, that the bottom of the screen should rest on the dash. Which actually, I think if I move this back some, it will. Not concerned about it in this scenario because I'm not leaving it in this vehicle, but it does recommend that the bottom of the screen rest on the dash so that it doesn't risk falling. All right, so it took me a second because I was trying to figure out the Bluetooth in the van. I ended up just using, you can connect through an aux cord as well, so that's what I did. But it also Bluetooth, you can Bluetooth connect through the radio. So yeah, you get this main screen. Once you connect, it'll bring up CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, which is what I'm using for this, and you can just access it like your normal CarPlay. Got Waze up here. Cancel that drive. You can bring up music. My phone's not wanting to load music at the moment. Not the screen's fault, it's my service fault. And then, so I'll pull up on my phone. All right, and then my phone is connected. Not gonna play like music because I don't want a copyright strike, but like I can play one of my most recent videos, and it's playing it through the car. Yeah, so it's pretty neat. So for an older vehicle, like, say this van, the GPS is out of date. You don't have, any sort of like good Bluetooth connectivity. A screen like this is really awesome because it gives you all of the modern features at a low price point. This is also very easy to install. Once I got the hang of it and actually read the instructions. So the instructions kind of shows you all the options. Bluetooth, auxiliary, and then only have FM. So whatever your radio needs are, or whatever you have, it will function. This thing, like I mentioned earlier, it's very portable and you can switch it between cars. So let's try and switch it into something a little more different. Hello there. All right, so we got the Flexus here. Let's see how easy it is to install this in the Flexus. All right, so check this out. We're sitting in the Flexus. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, this mount that's on the back of the screen here, it's magnetic. So you can quickly pop the screen on and off. So if you park somewhere that's a little bit sketchy, you pop your screen off, hide it somewhere, take it with you, whatever. Yeah, you have that option. So that's hooked up there. And plug this into some power. Turn it on. Oops. Oh, it helps if you plug it in all the way. There we go. Turn it on. Screen's loading up. Okay, so this car does not have Bluetooth or like an aux cord. But what's cool about this is you still have an option. So what you do, go here, go to FM, select a station. Now I've got this on the same FM station. And then it will now play the sound from this through here. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a second camera. I'm using my phone, so I can't play anything. But it plays through here, which is amazing. Awesome. I love that feature. So now, let's see what else we can throw this in. All right, guys. So, sorry if the video quality is a little bit funky. I'm actually filming on an iPad right now. But I flew all the way back down to Guatemala just to show you how easy this thing is to install. And I'm going to install it here in the Teron, which is where it's going to most likely just stay. It's the vehicle that I needed it for the most. And like this whole thing came in a perfect time because I needed something for this, because the Teron has a screen in it, but it's not CarPlay compatible. So Waze doesn't come up on it, music doesn't come up. Well, I can play music, but it doesn't show it. CarPlay is just so much easier. So let's get this thing installed in here and just show you how easy it is to pop it in here. All right, so I'm gonna try and do this one-handed because I'm holding the iPad in the other. But I already threw the suction cup mount up here. So we'll take this just like that. That magnetic mount is awesome. And then we'll take our plug, plug it in there, turn our accessory on. Screen loads up super quick. So right now it is connected to my phone. So it allows dual Bluetooth pairing. So my phone is connected to the screen in the car, the radio in the car, and then it's also Bluetooth connected to the screen up here. And simply once it's paired, play some music. So simple as that. It literally 30 seconds and it's ready to go. If I didn't want to Bluetooth connect it, I can use an aux cord. Like I mentioned earlier, I can go in here. I can select this. So this is the dual Bluetooth pairing. I've got the FM transmitter, so it's got the built-in FM transmitter to where I just tune. Wow, okay. So it's going to switch. So it's going to restart the system. And then I will just tune this radio to 87.9. Let me see if I can figure out how to work this radio. 87.9. There we go. Let's see. This should work if I play my phone again. But there you go. And then, oh, it's not the other option that this has. It has a built-in speaker. So if we click on that, there. Now it's playing through this built-in speaker on the screen. So you've got a multitude of options. I just wanted to touch base on a few things with this screen. It's the only 60 frames per second wireless CarPlay portable screen on the market. It provides a super smooth user experience, quick response and no lag. Like I said, it's smooth. I haven't had any issues. The pure Bluetooth display mode, like I said, chosen by like 99% of people that use it. The sound output is via the car's Bluetooth. The screen only displays images, supports original car multi-function steering wheel controls and microphone. The screen is seamlessly integrated with the case, provides a sleek all-black look and enhancing visual experience. It's a very slick looking piece. Like I mentioned when I opened it, it reminds me of an iPhone. Very nicely built, high quality piece. The automatic switching mode for CarPlay and Android Auto. Day and night switching modes automatically based on the time that you can set. I've really enjoyed this thing. I've had it for about a month now. I've used it like crazy. And it came at a perfect time. I needed a CarPlay screen for this car. This thing has been great. I've had it in this. I had it in the Flexus. I drove 3 hours with it in the Flexus, playing music and navigation. I put it in the 66 for a minute and just played it through the speaker. It can go in anything, literally. I hope you enjoyed the Carpodgo T3 Pro. Like I said, I really enjoy it. It's not just me saying it, you know, because it's sponsored. I enjoy it. It's everything that I needed for this car. It's worked in multiple cars. There are links in the description below. One to the website, and there's also an Amazon link. I would appreciate if you guys would click on that. It'll help you out, helps me out, and furthers the channel. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, drop those down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.